Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing, which stocks are trading, which sectors are doing well. So, talking about the benchmark indices, both the Sensex and the Nifty trading in the green, but have trimmed their morning gain, seems like it. So, Nifty trading at the 15,000 mark, around the 15,000 mark, while the Sensex trading around the 50,500 to 600 levels. Both trading in the green though. Now talking about the broader markets performing slightly better than the benchmark indices, both up more than 0.5% in trade, 0.6% in trade actually. So doing quite well on the broader market front, outperforming the benchmark indices. Talking about the sector-wise, we're seeing that PSU Banks is one of the top sectorial gainers as well as energy following PSU Banks as well. Nifty Realty as well as Nifty Finance and FMCG trading a bit in the red and trading with a negative bias. So these are the sectorial gainers that have been happening, as well as ONGC, LNT, RIL are some of the top gainers in trade as well today. Talking about individual stocks now. Just Dial stock is up as much as 7% in trade today after the company has signed an agreement for IPL this weekend. So very interesting deal coming in for Just Dial. Aarti Drugs, another stock which has been buzzing in trade, up as much as 5% after Aarti Specialty Chemicals, which is the wholly owned subsidiary of Aarti Drugs, stands as one of the beneficiary for Government of India's recently announced PLI scheme for the pharma sector. So surely positive up move should be coming in for Aarti Specialty Chemicals, which is a subsidiary of Aarti Drugs. That's why a positive up move. Then we do have BEML, which is in focus, stock up as much as 17% in trade, and this is after reports suggest that Tata Motors, Mahindra and Ashok Leyland are looking to buy 26% stake in the company. So let's keep an eye out on that, whether these reports actually turn out to be true and how this actually pans out. Moving on to Adani Power, stock is locked in upper circuit, up 5%. That is after Economic Times reports that Adani Power has offered 2,600 crores, so 2,600, that's 2,600 crore to acquire SR Power MP under the insolvency and bankruptcy code. NMDC, another stock which is buzzing in trade, up 5% after the India's largest iron ore miner has actually kept the price unchanged in March following the reduction that we saw coming in February after consistency raising them over the last year. So surely some positive sign over there as well. Indian Bank, the last stock which we'll be talking about, it's up as much as 1% in trade, and as a part of the monetization bank's non-core asset, the board of directors have actually approved a partial as well as partial to a full divestment of bank's stake in the bank's joint venture, which is ASREC India, where the bank holds around 38.26% stake. So that is why we're seeing a slight move coming for Indian Bank as well. And these are the stocks that have been buzzing in trade and during this midday this afternoon. Let's keep an eye out on how they actually ended trade at 3:30.